Nice. A punch hole in both doors. One door wasn't enough. I gotta hit them both. Got it.
Busted out window.
Busted window. Nice. Classic.
Yeah.
Figure it out?
I have no idea. Oh yeah, this is gonna be shitty.
Yep.
That's cool.
Is there any way?
No.
Nice. No problem. So, good sign?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Busted window. Nice. Been broken for like 6 months. Dude, they forgot their sweet baby rays. Bomber, dude.
Oh. Bucket of candy.
Halloween candy. Probably won't be able to use that barbecue sauce thing because of the brand name, but
Yeah.
whatever. I mean, there's a fucking Jim Beam over there too. Kind of unavoidable. Fuck.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with that closet.
Bathroom's fucked.
If you can, when you're on your way out of here, like directly above me right now.
Oh.
It's fucked. You know, it's a great sign when all the windows are covered in plastic.
Yep.
I don't know what's going on with that shit.
Oh man, come on.
Won't go up all that?
No.
Yeah, fuck it. Nice. A punch hole in both doors. One door wasn't enough. I gotta hit them both. Got it.
Busted out window.
Busted window. Nice. Classic.
Oh, this closet's also pretty fucked.
Jesus Christ.
Well, this is like the most decent room.
Yeah, this is like the most livable one, and it's still fucking shitty.
Yep.
Dude, I think I see the safety fountain fucking road map thing right there. Is that it?
Yep.
Bro, when I say I'm from the streets, that's what I mean.
Oh, that's classic.
I'm really going to the kitchen and then just get the fuck out of here. This sucks. Maybe from there.
Why the fuck does it keep doing this shit?
Dude, I don't know. We're gonna have to talk to Vince or Tommy because that's fucking weird.
Oh, that would have been sweet if this was in there.
Right.
Super Nintendo.
Damn, is that the one that has all the games on it too?
Yeah, 30 games built in.
Fuck yeah.
That would have been fucking sick.
What's up with all this wood? It was like building birdhouses or some shit. Like, look at that windowsill, bro.
Yeah.
How do you let it get that bad?
Right.
It doesn't make sense.
This shit is fucked.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.